Congress leader Priyanka Gandhi slammed the BJP government in Uttar Pradesh over the alleged suicide by a farmer in Muzaffarnagar. Priyanka Gandhi said that the Yogi Adityanath dispensation now does not mention a word about the non-payment of dues to sugarcane farmers. The farmer committed suicide by hanging himself from a tree in Muzaffarnagar district allegedly due to non-procurement of his sugarcane produce amid the coronavirus-induced lockdown, according to his family. The suicide triggered a protest by farmers who demanded that a case be registered against sugar mill officials for failure to procure sugarcane from farmers. Tagging a media report on the incident, Priyanka Gandhi tweeted, "Seeing his sugarcane crop dying in the field and not getting the slip, a sugarcane farmer from Muzaffarnagar committed suicide." The BJP claimed that full payment would be given in 14 days, but the sugar mills have been closed with payment worth thousands of crores of rupees still due, she said. "I had brought it to the notice of the government 2 days ago. Imagine the plight of these sugarcane farmers' families not getting their dues during this financial crisis." But now the BJP government does not even mention a word about the payment of sugarcane dues within 14 days, the Congress General Secretary in charge of UP East said. Priyanka Gandhi has been raising the concerns of the farmers. She had earlier written a letter to the UP government to take up the issues of the farmers.
इस दुख की घड़ी में, इस संकट के समय में आप एक एक भारतवासी के साथ खड़े रहें, जो सबसे ज्यादा जरूरतमंद हैं, जो सबसे ज्यादा तड़प रहे हैं, जो सबसे ज्यादा दुखी हैं, उनके साथ आप खड़े रहें। ये कोई राजनीतिक मांग नहीं है जो हम उठा रहे हैं, ये मानवीयता के आधार पर मांग है। हम आपसे आग्रह कर रहे हैं कि राजनीति छोड़िए। जिस जनता ने हम सबको बनाया है, जिस जनता ने आप में विश्वास रखा है, जिसने आपको बनाया है, आपका साथ दिया है, अब ये समय है कि हम सब आप इस जनता का साथ दें।
Farmers have been badly hit by the lockdown as they are not able to sell their produce due to the mismanagement in the mandis. Priyanka Gandhi had earlier tweeted about the woes of the farmers who had to wait for days at the mandis to sell the produce. General Secretary and in charge of UP East, Priyanka has slammed the BJP government for false claims of farmer welfare.